To remove the header, just remove 1, 2, and 3 bolts. Now you see a little trap door there. There's a cable that's for the actual LED inside. So it's got to be connected to the connector there, right? And that'll give you power to the header board. To lock in the header board, put the cable in. Make sure it doesn't sort of get caught between the metal part and the wood. Push it back in. Go back on. 1 and 1, 2. Now these 3 bolts here, these 3 bolts are going in the cash box. That's for the header. And that's about it. Just lift the header off and give you an overall view. All right, it comes as far as possible until it reveals